Angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is what is going to happen next 1 month from now. Your horoscope forecast for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, please do subscribe, like and share our channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. Friends, these are general readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, these are timeless reading. Whenever you come across them, they will help you out in some way or the other. Also, friends, this is join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. So you can we'll start with Capricorns and then Virgo and Taurus. So friends, first you can also cross watch it if you know a Capricorn, or if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn. First we are going to look at the theme for you, then your relationships, then your career, money. Yeah, these are detailed readings, friends. Angels guided me to do them these like together. So let's see, because big changes are coming our way right now. So let's see. I hope they will help you out. Let me know. So Capricorns, what is going to happen? The theme for 1 month from now for Capricorns, angels. For Capricorns. Okay, you have the Knight of Cups, the King of Rods, and the Ten of Pentacles. Very nice, Capricorns. I feel, emotions and passions. You are going to have a choice between emotions and passion, and also head and heart. I feel marriage and commitment is also important for you next 1 month. Like, what is marriage? What is commitment? Choices in love. Follow your heart or to follow your head. Follow your passions, follow your emotions. A lot of choices coming ahead for you, Capricorns, and long-term relationships are important. Definitely you have the Three of Wands also, so long-term success, long-term plans. In your career you want long-term success. In your life, in your relationships also, you are looking for marriage, you are looking for commitment, and there are choices and a lot of choices coming towards you, Capricorn. I feel both in love. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be important, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius could be important for you. But there is a lot of choice in love and your work life. But what you want at the end of it, you want long-term stability, you want structure, you want family. Even if it is work, you want money, like long-term stability. Money is important, so you could be dealing with family inheritances, or money from family, or etc. also be important for you. Let us see what else is the message. I feel a choices, lot of choices, Capricorns, coming your way. Lot of choices, both in love, in work. You may also have to decide, to get married or to focus on work, especially if you are young. You might have that choice. Or maybe you have to decide between two partners, Capricorns. Impatience, yeah, you are impatient about something, because of the choices, or there is so much happening, beautiful happening in your life, Capricorns. 1 month from now, you may want to jump, you may want to jump ahead and do things like, yeah, you're already on the road to success, Capricorn. So you want to reach to the moon, and you want to jump, and you can't wait, you can't wait. Whether it is in love or career, you just can't wait. You are like, wow, you want to, oh my god. Sorry, friends. Sometimes the cards don't lay out properly. So let's see what else is the message for Capricorns. Joy, a lot of happiness is coming your way, and lot of positivity is coming your way, Capricorns, and success is coming your way. All your decisions are eventually going to lead you to a lot of success. Let us see your love life, Capricorns. Let's see what will happen in your love life. What is making you so impatient? Capricorns, next 1 month, their love life for Capricorns. Let's see. Six of Swords, moving away from difficulties. The Magician, yes, you are manifesting. Oh my God, the Tower. Something may come into your life out of the blue. Eight of Swords, exciting new connection. A breakthrough is coming. Oh my God, who are the people involved with Capricorns? Four of Swords. Oh my God, the Queen of Rods. We also have the King here. So you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Two of Swords. Okay, so let's see what will happen in your love life. I feel the overall theme for your love life is you are moving ahead out of difficulties in your love life, out of confusions. Clarity is coming in your love life. I feel you may have a tower movement ahead, Capricorns, in your love life, or you already had it. Some of you, 50% of you already had this right now, a tower movement in your love life, relationships, or marriage. But for some of you may have it in the future. I feel there is a person who is making you wait and who is not giving you a clear message about their intentions, their what they want from you, or their long term plans. They are not telling you what they are not making a move towards you. They are keeping you confused, or it could be you yourself feeling confused, Capricorns, about some relationship. But I feel there is some person whom you are waiting for, and they are making you wait. They are not giving you clear intentions or clear ideas or what they want. You may have a tower movement with that person ahead in the future or now, right now, and things will become clear. But I feel if that happened already, you are going to find you are going to find recovery, and you are going to move out of that energy. I also feel a new relationship is coming. It could be a twin flame which is coming back into your life, or a new person which has a sole purpose with you. They are coming into your life, and this will start automatically out of the blue. A lot of talks, conversations, a lot of to and fro messages, and this will be a breakthrough relationship for you. The connection, the intention will be very positive. This will be a very, very passionate connection. The attraction will be mutual, and a lot of chemistry is here. So Capricorns, you could be like, you could have a choice to find a new connection, or choose an old connection which is not going so well. So there may be a choice for some of you Capricorns to choose between an old and stuck connection, or to let go of a person or a partnership that is not working out right now, and to say yes to something that's more perfect for you. So there may be a relationship which is just purely passionate, but there is also you have to find the balance between emotions and passions in your love life. And I feel if you are really, really single, you can meet someone out of the blue, and you may start in a way like, things will start very quickly with this new person. Communications, you will communicate all night, all day. You may meet through social media. They could be at a distance from you. I'm hearing US. Sorry, friends, I'm hearing USA, America, Europe. They could be from those areas, France, Italy. You may meet online, or and the connection will be very stimulating and passionate, but you might have a fight or argument because the emotional connection is not that developed, because also you are impatient, or this person is impatient. So just balance things a little in your love life. That's what I feel. Let us see, Capricorns, how your work and career will be. Let's see that. Anything else you want to say about angels, about their love life? Let us take an advice for your love life. Wow, restrictions, Eight of Swords. Definitely, you may feel restricted, Capricorns, in your love life, because I told you, emotions and passion, which way to go, what helps you in the long term. That is what you need. And also, some relationship is making you feel stuck. It could be a marriage, it could be a past relationship, it could be you are scared because a person is of a different age group, culture, or they are elder than you, or it could be a same sex relationship and you are scared what will happen if people know. I think find the way, find a balance in it. That's the advice for you. Let us see how your career will be, Capricorns, because I see a lot of money coming your way. Look at this, a lot of 10 of Pentacles, lot of money, lot of joy. Ooh, wow, the Fool, and one card also here, the Star, and the Five of wow, the Five of Cups, disappointments, and the Star, the Fool. Wow, this is interesting. Ooh, the Moon. Oh my God. So you definitely feel a little unhappy, Capricorns, about your work and career, like things are not going as you want them to be. Maybe you are feeling like, because of this distance, like you want to study in Europe or USA, but you are not able to go there. I feel like you want to go somewhere, but you are not able to because of the current world situation, and you feel stuck, you feel unhappy. This is affecting your career or education. But I feel the situation is not as bad as you think in your career or education. You do have a lot of opportunity. Your fears are affecting you, so you should watch out your fears in your career and in your education. What are you scared of? What are you what is holding you, keeping you back? I feel like something is holding you back, and you should work on it, and it will become evident to you. I also feel like some of you missed a job, or if you were applying for a university or an exam or an interview, you were not lucky in the past, but that, and you feel very disheartened. But I feel it is going to come back, or some new opportunities coming for you, or maybe they'll call you again. And it is not as bad as you think, like you missed an opportunity at work or career or education, but you feel it's gone forever. But no, I feel there is hope. Your wishes are coming true. You are going to find what you need and desire, and it will be an aha moment for you. It is going to bring you a lot of joy, and a new start will happen for your career. I feel it will be a long term new start, not just Capricorns, like success for 1 or 2 years or 1 month or 2 years. No, the success that is coming your way, it is lifelong. For some of you, it is lifelong. You will start a new path, but it will support you throughout your life. You may start a new goal, you may start a new hobby, but it may turn into your job, or you may start your own entrepreneurship or work, self work. It is going to be very successful. It will become your life path, or it will become your lifelong career. Very, very good energies. Let's see any advice for your career. Let's see for that. Even in education, you are on the right path. Just don't let your doubts hold you back. The Two of Cups, definitely people who are going to support you are coming. You should talk to your family, friends, or elders, maybe in your field. You should talk to people who have already achieved what you want, Capricorn, because they can help you. And Eight of Pentacles, you are working very hard, Capricorns. You are a perfectionist. You are going to, I see some of you could become business owners, hotel owners in the future, or you could become artists, like craftsmen, like you are an designer, automobile designer, or some sort of a chef. I feel you are very hardworking, and you are going to find supportive people who will help you expand your business, your career, your education. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Join us on Instagram as Hi Virgo, so this reading is for you for 1 month from now. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Virgo, or if you know a Virgo, you can cross watch it for them, friends. So we are going to look at the theme of the 1 month for you from now, and your love life, career, relationships in detail. So let's begin, Virgos. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel, friends. Please, if you haven't, Magic Vents Tarot, do subscribe. Virgos, you are working on ending something. You have a lot of weight on your shoulders, Virgos. Why are you having so much problems, and why are you carrying this load? Why are you carrying this load? For Virgos, the next 1 month, theme of the next 1 month, Virgos. Okay, Four of Cups, the Eight of Swords. I think there is a lot on your mind and you have a lot of plans, but you are not right now taking action for it. But in the coming month, 1 month, you are going to get action or get a lot of messages and get it. I think right now you are thinking a lot what to do, what not to do. You have a lot of anxiety or a lot of responsibilities, but you don't know how to fix them, Virgos. I feel it is going to be, you are going to find the solutions, and communications will be a theme. A lot of people, a lot of messages at your work are coming also. Theme for Virgos, theme for Virgos. Tower, oh my god, something is going to shake you up. Wow, the Nine of Pentacles. Oh my god, I think some of you could be struggling with your work or career in the 1 month from now, or you may feel like, you may be working too much, or you feel like you are at a work which is not providing you the right money or something. But I think some positive changes are coming in your work. And definitely karmic issues, see, karmic issues, your karm oh my god, how do I say this? Let's get into detail. I think this itself is a reading, Virgos, for you. Oh my god, I feel like you are carrying a lot of load, Virgos, and in the next 1 month, uh, you are going to find a way out. You are going to focus a lot of communications will be important, and something is not right or something is not perfect for you. It could be like you are at a work which is not right for you, or you are unhappy there, your money is not coming there, so something will shake up in your life, Virgo. Sorry to say, but yeah, something is going to shake up in your life unexpectedly, unexpected changes. But what are these changes? It could affect your money for some of you, it could affect your what you say, career for some of you. But I feel these changes are positive in the long run, because they are going to bring you the money that you need, the career you need, or the love or the recognition you need. You are going to get a relief from these burdens you are carrying. I don't know why you are carrying these burdens. It is time to release them and invite new and happy energies, Virgos. It is time. And definitely some shake-up will happen, sorry to say, but it will be a positive one, it will be a destined one. Money is going to come your way. I feel some of you are very money worried about money or career. It is going to shake up, but in a positive way. I also feel in love you are carrying a lot of burdens, and you may find like you are not able to release those burdens or responsibilities. So universe is going to shake things up, Virgo, so you can find the relief that is needed. Theme of the month for Virgos, angels. Destiny is definitely working for you, Virgos. You don't have to worry about things. See, dissipating. You are like tired. You are like, what am I supposed to do with this situation in my life? I feel like you are struggling with your love life, your career, and you have a lot of responsibilities, or you have a lot of worries on your mind, Virgo. I don't know which way it is. Burdens, but I think they are going to change. They are going to change perception. It is your perception that is going to be shifted, and that is going to change. What you felt was a burden can be a gift also, and what is a burden will be removed or healed from your life, and it will help. Oh my god, this is big for you, Virgos. This is big. I think a perception is shifting for you. It is like you are emotionally opening to something new. You are becoming more spiritual. Your heart is opening. I feel like some of you are not sharing your emotions to someone, so you may have to do that ahead, or you will, or something will shake you up, and that will shift your life, shift your perception, and free you from these karmic burdens. I feel you are having a lot of karmic burdens right now, Virgos, but it is going to shift. Let's see how your love life will be. Big things are coming for you, Virgos. Big changes and relief from burdens, relief from challenges, and destined happiness is coming for Virgos. Their love life in Aries, Leo, Sagittarius might be important for you, Virgos. Their love life, Virgos, for their love life. The Sun, the divine masculine or feminine. I feel you could be in a twin flame partnership. A King of Cups is also here. So definitely Wow, the Five of Cups is also here for Virgos, their love life. Oh my God, Page of Swords is also here. How many people you are dealing with, Virgos? An air sign, a water sign, and Six of Wands. What is happening in the Virgo's love life? Clarify the King of Cups. Clarify the Knight of Rods. Ooh, the Knight of Cups. Lots of people you are dealing with, Virgos. Lots of people, and I feel that is why you are feeling so burdened, because you know it is like there are a lot of people who want your attention, or who want, or you have some karmic issues going on with these people. I don't know if you can see the cards or not. I hope this is better. There is a lot of karmic issues happening for you, Virgos. I feel Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. I feel you feel so burdened, Virgos, because a lot of people are affecting your love life, or a lot of past exes could return back, because we are heading into the month of all planets going retrograde. Mercury will also be going retrograde, although these are timeless readings, but still the energy is there. So you may find a lot of exes, past lovers, past heartache come back, or past people come into your life, and new people are also coming into your life. So a lot of people are there. I feel you could also be dealing with a twin flame, which is perfect for you, or you see them as a divine masculine and feminine, but you feel a lot of connection and attraction towards them, and you are trying to manifest this relationship back into your life, Virgos, or they are trying to manifest you back, because I feel there has been a loss, a disappointment in this relationship, especially with a twin flame or something. A loss has happened, a disappointment has happened, you regret it, you feel an emotional distance. You are in separation with someone, Virgos, and you feel that distance, you feel the regret, and it is making you feel very burdened, it is making you feel unhappy. I feel there is a lot of attraction, you want to share your feelings. I don't think so you both have shared your feelings. I feel especially Virgos, you haven't told this person how you feel, or something like that. So I feel you are going to do that, Virgos, like, or they haven't told you how they feel, so they are going to share their feelings towards you. Communications are definitely coming your way. Communications are coming your way. Person is also trying to manifest you back. They want to come towards you, and there are other people also who want to come and talk to you. And I feel there will be a victory happening in this connection. I also feel some maybe your twin flame connection, or your if you are married or in a committed relationship, it is affected by other people. Your friends, your family are affecting your relationship, but success is going to come towards you. You are going to find this happiness and success in this relationship, Virgos, and communications are going to open up in this connection. You don't need to feel so disappointed or like all is lost, because I definitely feel something can be resolved. There is this sun happening, the sunshine, the connection is still very strong, and you may manifest it. I feel this person and or you are trying to manifest them back. Let us see an advice for Virgos. Let's see your advice for love life. If you are really single, I feel you could be attracting a lot of people towards you, Virgos, and it may lead you to confusion, because see, Wheel of Fortune, a new start is coming in your love life, Virgos. Congratulations, you are going to find a relief from your burdens. I feel some of you are struggling to open your heart, or share your emotions, or get out of past issues, but it will happen. It will happen for you, a change, positive change. If you are really single, you may attract Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, but some of them may not be the right people for you. You may face some disappointments with them and some resistance from some person, but one of them is perfect. They are your divine masculine or feminine, And so keep open and keep sharing, like see how it goes, especially if you are single. I feel if you are married, your relationship could be really affected by or tested by people from around you or your family. So you may have a tower moment or some sort of a shake up in your marriage or relationship, or some it could also be your husband or wife is at a distance from you in another country or city, so you feel like, oh my god, this is challenging my relationship, this is tough time. But I feel hope is there. You are going to rise out of it, you know. You don't need to worry about it. You have the hope. Hope is with you. So let's see how your career will be, Virgos. Let's see that. For Virgos, how their career will be. I already have a card. Justice, yeah, big justice. I told you you have a lot of career worries, actually money worries. You are worried about your money, how your money will be, or how you are going to, find this balance in your love, this money, how you are going. I think something is happening in your career. Something, let's see what is happening. Wow, six, you have a lot of career issues, lots of career issues. So you are going 10 of cups, 10 of wands, definitely friends. If you are struggling with your career, if you feel money is not coming or job is not coming for you, or if you are a student, you feel like job prospects are not there, please rest assured things are going to turn for you. Russia, Moscow, and Japan might be important for you for higher education or all those things. You are going to find a relief from your work, money issues, and educational worries. Justice will happen, friends. God and your angels are seeing your hard work, so rest assured justice will happen. And some toxic people or negativities will be removed from your life, but that will lead to forward progress in your career. I definitely feel someone is going to support you, and they could be your family members. But for some of you, I feel it is not family but friends you find, or your teachers or mentors, your seniors, who are going to support you. And you are also going to find ultimate happiness or success in your career. A wish fulfillment is going to happen. Connect more emotionally with your work. I feel, Virgos, you are focusing more on money. Like if money is coming, you feel successful, you feel abundant. But I think you should change your perception regarding your work. Change your perception that if you are enjoying your work, and if it brings you money also, and emotional happiness, you are at the right place. So that is also necessary for you. Any other advice for Virgos? Let's see. Wow, the Queen of Cups, connecting with your artistic gifts, nature's creativity, and keeping your heart open and keeping your mind open to new ideas and the world. Definitely, I see some of you could be traveling, graduating, or getting that degree. I feel some of you are also struggling to pass an exam or an interview. Friends, it will happen. Just trust and change your perception in some way. Let's get your advice cards, Virgos. Let's see what is the advice for you. Wow, Yin. Stay receptive, Virgo. Stay receptive. Open your heart. Share your feelings. Life is about loving, and life is not just all work, work, worry, work. It is about playing, enjoying, inviting love, inviting support. Changing your perception is necessary here. Don't just get worried that you are alone. There is a lot of support for you, Virgos. Try and say yes to it. Any other advice, friends, for Virgos? Co-create. Yes, there are people who can help you on your career path, your love life, so you can share your ideas and views, and you can co-create your or co-build your career, your future. Number 4, building blocks. Yes, you are on the path to success. Number 28, 20, and 13 and 2 might be important. So yes, you are going to reach your final destination, your ultimate success. Don't worry about it, Virgos. You are on the right path. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstero.com, and join us on Instagram as Magic Venstero. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, this is how your next 1 month will be for Taurus. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you can cross watch it for a Taurus, also if you know a Taurus, you can cross watch it for them, friends. We are going into look into detail how your theme of the month will be, your love life, your career. Let's see, Taurus, how your 1 month's theme will be from now. This is a timeless reading, friends. Do subscribe, like, and share our channel, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. Let's see. What is the theme for Taurus angels for the next 1 month? Yeah, you are coming in your power, Taurus. King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel money, abundance is coming towards you. Two of Swords, decisions are coming towards you. Fool, a new start is coming towards you. Wow, this is the theme. Excellent. Wow, communications, a lot of movement and forward progress will happen for you, Taurus. And Empress, you are birthing something new, Taurus. I feel not just something new, you are birthing a new you. Taurus, a successful, a prosperous new you, an abundant new you is coming. If you are a woman, Taurus, female, some of you could be getting pregnant, turning into mothers, or having expanding your family. Or if you are single, you could be meeting your life partner, man or a woman. If you are a man, you are going to connect with your inner divine masculine, and you are going to feel very powerful this month. Or 1 month from now, you are going to feel very powerful, ambitious. There will be decisions, there will be choices coming your way, but you should follow your intuition and your heart. You should you should not stay in double minds, but instead you should follow and take some risk and take charge of your life. New paths and new people, new situations will be coming, and a lot of forward progress, communications are coming your way. And if you are in a twin flame Taurus, twin flame relationship, your divine masculine or feminine is going to connect with you. Let us see some other messages from these cards. Despondence, yeah, you don't need to be worried, you don't need to be worried about what will happen or not happen. Or you may feel like, you may feel like this energy, like you are confused, you don't know what to do, what will happen. I think like something is happening. Look at this again, the earth is here, and like a new birth is happening. Your seeds, your hard work, or something that you have started, Taurus, is going to blossom for you. You don't need to worry about it. It will happen for you. And let's see what else is there. Rejection, oh my god. You may be dealing with rejection or something, like if even from a job or something, or you feel like things won't happen, things will be not going your way. Let's just clarify this, angels, why this card is here. Wow, insecurities. Definitely some fears are affecting you, and may affect you 1 month from now. You may doubt your potential. You may doubt this will happen, this new start will happen for you or not. You may feel this new relationship isn't perfect because you feel insecure. You feel you may get rejected or something, or this is not, you feel like insecure, but you self-doubt. I feel, Taurus, you may feel some self-doubt, but you shouldn't, because you have the power. You are coming into your power and reconnecting with it. So don't worry. Don't worry. This is your destined path. Let us see what else will happen in your love life, Taurus. Let's see that. Taurus, their love life, what will happen? Wow, the Hanged Man, the Eight of Cups, the Tower, ooh, the Six of Pentacles. What will happen for Taurus love life? The Page of Pentacles. So you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or someone who is I feel you are dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, Taurus. And why is the Tower here, angels? Why is the Tower here? Wow, Four of Cups, Okay, let's see. So, Taurus, I feel like, there is a situation that's currently stuck and it's not moving ahead in your love life. This is like, it could be a twin flame connection for some of you. It's not moving ahead, it is stuck. You feel like you don't know what to do. I feel some of you may decide to move out of that relationship because, things are not going well. This person may have put you in a third party, or they are very playful, they are very casual, they come in and out of your life. So you may feel insecure or frustrated with this person or this situation, and you may feel like something is missing. You may ask this person, what is happening, why you doing this, or what is your long term plan, what is your intention for future, about our future. There is a third party situation, or some common friend, or someone being very casual about things and not being very serious, or maybe they are serious but they are not showing you that seriousness in their actions. So, Taurus, you may feel frustrated and you may ask this person to show their true self or their true intentions or what they really want. And although you may not like to do this, it may make you unhappy. You may feel like this person, if they move away or you move away from them, you are going to miss this person, Taurus. But I feel this could also be a past energy. You had someone, a tower moment with someone, a fight, an argument with someone. That person is constantly thinking about you and they miss the happy times they have shared with you. And you may have walked away from this person, but this person wants to come back and do justice to you. This person has done you something wrong, Taurus. Like they have made you hurt, they have hurted you, made you unhappy. This person wants to come back towards you. And also, I feel like the Page of Swords, they could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. So yeah, this person, definitely, two people are important for you. I also feel like, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be important. If you are really, really single, I feel you could have a fallout with a friend. You might move away, Taurus, from a friend which was affecting your love life or becoming too involved in your life. So you may feel like this isn't going there, right? Or you were dating someone or you meet someone and like this friend is interfering. I feel a lot of friendships are affecting you in 1 month from now. And if you had a argument, you may have an argument with a friend or something. You may decide to move on, but that person may miss you and come back. I also feel if you are in a relationship, Taurus, your friends, common friends, family can affect your relationship, and it can lead to a fight or a tower movement either with your friends or family. I also feel like there is justice going to happen in your life. If someone was not giving you their time, their affection, their love, they are going to come back and give you that love. For others, I feel you will actually move out and end a relationship. You will end in relationship, and and with this, either of this person, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and you will move to someone new. And it could be the empress or the king or the queen of your life that you are going to be destined with. So let's see what is. If you are married, oh my god, please stay calm and stay patient, and don't let jealousy, fears, insecurity affect your marriage, because there is the insecurity and doubts and jealousy. So you may, like, there may be people who you may feel like your husband is talking to someone else or your wife is talking to someone else. So don't let that affect or ruin your relationship. Doubts or insecurities. Advice? Yeah, see, you feel restricted in your love life, or you feel restricted in your, like, fears can hold you back. I feel you should step out of your fears because it was in the overall energy. And if you do, you have a new positive start in communications and a very beautiful energy. Instead of letting your fears get the better of you, Taurus, I would say, like, share your fears and talk about them with a loved one or a friend, or maybe write them down, so that will make you, bring you the clarity you need. So don't worry about it, things are good. And don't let other people affect your marriage or your relationship, Taurus. Let's see how your career and education will be, or money will be 1 month from now. Wow, the King of Rods, the Three of Rods, forward movement, strength is here. You are working. Nine of Cups of happiness, money is coming your way. Very, very powerful. You are going to get super powerful and super charged up regarding your career. No one can stop you. Anyone who wants to stop you in your career, Taurus, they should think twice, because you are unstoppable. Your ambition, your drive, your passion, your goal, your focus, you are gonna achieve it all. Even if you want to climb the Mount Everest, you are gonna do that. And you don't want to stay where you are. Forward is the movement. Forward, 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 and forward. That's where you want to go. Expansion is coming in your life. A lot of collaborations will happen. A lot of communications will happen in your career, I feel. And some of you could be getting a promotion. Some of you getting starting your own work. Some of you could be, if you are a lawyer, you could get very popular. If you are in police or army or something, you could be very, very popular and very charged about your career. I also feel whether you are a male or a female, your ambitions will be unstoppable. No one can stand between you and your ambitions, and you will take any risk for your career, Taurus. I feel you will be working more hard. 1 month from now to 1 month, you will be giving your best to your work, and this will bring you a lot of success, a lot of happiness, a lot of money and support, and personal, recognition. You will feel very boosted, and all your efforts will be rewarded also by universe, and all your efforts will be bringing you this money, this harvest. Some of you, I feel, could be buying a home or land or something like that and becoming like landowners. So that is also there. If you are a student, oh my god, you are going to like, you are going to excel like anything, and it is because you have decided that you are going to top, or you are going to be on the top. You are going, if you are going for an interview, oh my god, that person will end up hiring you, because in fact they will show you, they will tell you to, they will give you a position that's better than what they offered you. A lot of forward progress is coming. A lot of forward progress is coming in your career, education. And if you are looking for job, you are going to find it. You are going to find it. And you just take care of your health, because I feel you will be working, Taurus, too hard. Too hard you will be working. Let's see your final advice cards for Taurus. Excellent month for you, actually. Very, very nice. And some of you could be going into farming, organic farming, landowners, or maybe like, buying your own house or something. Serendipity, yes, what you need is coming towards you. Trust in it. Number 18 is number 9. So what you desire is coming for you, whether it is in love or career. Your hard work, your efforts are being will be successful, poised. Absolutely, everyone will see your success. Everyone will see your hard work, your talent, your how worthy you are. So number 48, so definitely all lights are on you. You are like this higher power. Definitely destiny is guiding you. Definitely destiny is bringing you the right people, the right marriage, or a childbirth, or the career or the position that you need. Excellent, excellent month ahead for you. I wish you all the best. That's it for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.